That's right. KWA's Lauren Craycall breaks down why these discrepancies could actually make a pretty big difference.
Recently, the question has been asked, is the COVID-19 death toll higher than reported for the state? A medical professional I spoke to says yes, it is.
I do think we have our COVID deaths underreported to the state.
Fayetteville City Health Director Dr. Marty Sharkey says when the Arkansas Department of Health reports our state's COVID-19 death slate, it puts the total number in question.
They're having to report the test results, the antigen results, trying to get it out to the counties and trying to process all the death certificates. So it's just a lot of data being processed and our systems are being overwhelmed. They're looking at the death numbers and they're like, oh, it's not as high when they are higher.
Dr. Sharkey fears this could make Arkansans undermine this deadly virus.
The data is not as clean as it needs to be.
Dr. Austin Porter, Deputy Chief Science Officer for the ADH, says when dealing with an infectious disease of this nature, there's always the possibility of underrepresenting the numbers.
We do work with our coroners to make sure that we try to get as many cases as possible and that they're accurately counted.
While there are a lot of different factors that play into why numbers would be wrong, like waiting for test results, Dr. Porter says the ADH is taking initiatives to ensure clean and correct data is given to the public.
I think that the state of Arkansas can rest well knowing that we have a team of over 20 epidemiologists who are working specifically on COVID-19.
So Arkansans can make COVID-19 choices that are safest for their families.
Decisions are being made based on these data, and we want to make sure that we are giving them the most accurate information that they have.
Especially as we head into a school year of uncertainty.
I think it's concerning in that it causes some people not to take COVID as seriously as they need to.
In Rogers, Lauren Craycall, KWA Northwest Arkansas News.
Thank you, Lauren.